How to add credit or debit card in Woolworths. Well, adding a credit or debit card is a very simple process. First of all, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser and then in the search bar, search for Woolworths login. Now head over to the very first site, login. It will land you on the official page of Woolworths. Now first of all, you have to log into your specific account. So tap on My Account at the top right corner of the screen. This interface will pop up. Enter your email address and the password associated with your account and then click on Login. Once you have been logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right corner and then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into the option of Payment Method. Inside Payment Method, the option of Add Credit or Debit Card will be visible to you. Click on it. Then you have to fill the card detail information. Enter all the necessary information of a specific card and then tap on Save. Once you click on Save, your credit or debit card will be added successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add credit or debit card in Woolworths. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.